Now, types of motion. You must recall the last videos also. Then only you will have learned these videos. Types of motions. Activity. Play with a pencil. Please do what Santi did. Listen. Santi took a pencil and sharpened it with a sharpener. Okay. Second, then she drew a circle using the pencil and a compass. Later, she took her ruler. Ruler means which one? Scale. And drew the straight line in another paper. Then she kept the pencil between her finger and moved it back and forth. Listen. Now take that pencil, sharp the pencil. Next, took the pencil in the compass. Circle using the pencil and a compass. Next, later she took his ruler, draw the line. Okay. She kept the pencil between her finger and moved it back to forth. Alright, let's see. Now look at the motion of the pencil in all these four cases. How was it? In the first case, the pencil rotated in its axis. Okay, the pencil is rotate. Next, the second case, it went a circle. First he rotate a pencil. It rotate a pencil. Next, the second case, it went to a circle. It went to a circle. The third case, the pencil travel in a straight line. Next, the pencil is travel in a straight line. Okay, first the pencils rotate like a circle. Okay, now pencil is rotate a straight line. So next one. The third case, the pencil travel the straight line. Fourth case, the pencil tip moved back to forth. Okay, va? The pencil is moved back to forth. Back to forth. That is an oscillated like a swing. Okay. The pencil is now rotate. It axis. The second case, it went to a circle. Third case, the pencil is traveling a straight. Next, the pencil tip moved back and forth. That is oscillated like a swing. That is its motion was rotational and the circular, straight line or linear and later oscillatory. See, first one rotational, then circular, next straight line or linear, then oscillatory. That is types of motion. What are four motion? Rotational, next circular, next straight line or linear, and then oscillatory. Now see, throw a paper aeroplanes or a paper dart. Watch its flight path when you throw at the angle. The path curves. Example, the paper flight moving ahead but direction is changing while moving. Such a paths are called curvilinear. Illusion. You make a throw a paper aeroplanes. Okay, you have to throw means it get like a circular. It get like circular. Okay, it get curve shape. So it is called a curvilinear. What is that? Curve. This curve. Curve. So it moves called a curvilinear. Okay, curvilinear. Next one. The fly buzzing around the room is a combination all these flight path zigzag. நம்ம வீட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, இந்த பூச்சி தேன் பூச்சியெல்லாம் இருக்க எப்படி இருக்கும்? it had to move in straight line? No, it's like a zigzag, like so it is flight both is zigzag movement. Okay, you can classify the motion according to the path like object by the object line. Moving a straight line like a person walking on a straight path, free fall. Okay, that is line. It's moving a straight line. It's moving a straight line. That is called liner. Curvinal, moving ahead but changing the direction like a throwing ball. Okay, but moving ahead but change the direction, okay, like a throwing ball. Circular, moving a circle, swing stone tied up to the road. Okay, rotatory, the movement of your body about on its axis like a rotating டாப். இன்னும் பம்பர் இருக்குதுல்ல, பம்பத்தில் என்ன ஆகும், அப்படி வச்சுட்டு சுத்தம்னா அது அப்படியே மூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும், ஒரே ஆக்சிஸ்லேருந்து அப்படியே ரொட்டேட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும், பட் ஒரே இடத்துல தான் இருக்கும். ஆக்சின் சேம் ஆக்சிஸ், இட் ரொட்டேட்டிங் ahead. Oscillatory, coming back to the same position. Okay, where it is coming back to the same position after a fixed time interval like a pendulum. This is activity. Hi friends, wait. Okay, wait, this is also having, yeah, zigzag, irregular shape. I like the motion of a bee or people walking in a crowded street. It is not a irregular, it is a, sorry, are you visible? Zigzag, irregular shape. Oscillation at a greater speed. Ask your friend to hold the two ends of the stretched rubber band, stick in middle. Do you see oscillated very fast? When its oscillation is very swift, it is called as vibration. Fast oscillations refer to the as vibrations. Okay, this is activity. Now see. Hi friends, tell me what type of motion I am watching the both of my motion. Say, this is liner motion. This is what? Curvilinear. Am I right? This is what? Circular. This is zigzag. Am I right? This also curved. This is what? Curved. Okay, you can go to find out and write that answer. Okay.